I'm Jane, and well, I never thought a greenhouse could change my life, but here I am about to tell you how it did. Gardening? That was for other people. People with green thumbs and patience, not me. My world was concrete and glass. Nature was something I saw in documentaries, not something I lived. But then, on a particularly gray day, I saw my neighbor's garden. It was alive, thriving, and something inside me stirred. It was like seeing color for the first time. I wanted that. I needed that. So, I decided to take the plunge. I was going to become a gardener. But where to start? A greenhouse, I thought. That's what I need. A little bubble of green in my monochrome world. The search began. I scoured the internet, visited local stores, but nothing felt right. The first greenhouse I found was too small, claustrophobic. I felt like I was suffocating my dreams before they could even sprout. The second was too flimsy. One strong wind and there go my hopes, scattered like seeds in a storm. The third, well, let's just say it was more suited to housing garden gnomes than actual plants. With each disappointment, my enthusiasm wilted a little. Was I foolish to think I could do this? Just as I was about to give up, a friend mentioned M&D Enterprises. They're different, she said. You'll see. Skeptical but desperate, I decided to give it one last shot. I visited their website, mdenterprisesok.com, and there they were. Greenhouses that looked substantial, real, like they could weather any storm. I arranged a visit, more out of obligation than hope. But as I approached their display area, something shifted. The greenhouses stood there, gleaming in the sunlight. They weren't just structures, they were sanctuaries. As I stepped into one of their greenhouses, something changed. The air felt alive, full of possibility. The sunlight filtered through the glass, creating a dance of light and shadow. It was mesmerizing. I could smell the earth, even though there were no plants yet. It was the promise of growth, of life. For the first time, I could see it. My future garden, my little piece of Eden. The day it arrived was like Christmas morning. I watched as they set it up, each piece falling perfectly into place. And then it was mine. My greenhouse. My new beginning. I started small. A few herbs, some tomatoes. But with each passing day, my confidence grew. The greenhouse protected my plants, yes, but it also nurtured my passion. Now, every day is an adventure. Every seed, a new story waiting to unfold. I've grown things I never thought possible. Exotic flowers, heirloom vegetables, even a small lemon tree. My greenhouse has become more than a hobby. It's a retreat, a place of peace in a chaotic world. Who would have thought? Me, Jane, the reluctant gardener, now tending to life itself. My friends joke that I've gone green crazy. Maybe I have. But it's a wonderful kind of crazy. I've connected with a community of gardeners, sharing tips and stories. And it all started with that one decision. That one perfect greenhouse from M&D Enterprises. Because sometimes the perfect greenhouse isn't just about plants. It's about growing yourself.